Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn algorithms for beginners. Begin by mastering fundamental data structures like arrays, linked lists, and trees. Simultaneously, understand the crucial concepts of time and space complexity, which measure algorithm efficiency. Select a programming language you already know well, as this allows you to focus purely on algorithmic logic without struggling with new syntax. This foundational knowledge is your first step. Next, dive into essential algorithms. Explore sorting techniques such as bubble sort, merge sort, and quicksort to understand different approaches to ordering data. Familiarize yourself with searching algorithms, particularly binary search, for efficient data retrieval. The most effective way to solidify your understanding is to consistently implement these algorithms yourself. Hands-on coding reinforces theoretical knowledge. To truly master algorithms, actively engage in problem solving. Platforms like LeetCode and Hacker Rank offer a vast array of challenges to test your skills. Supplement your learning with high-quality online courses or classic textbooks that provide structured guidance. Don't hesitate to collaborate with others. Discussing different approaches to a problem can significantly deepen your understanding and introduce new perspectives. Once you have a solid foundation, venture into more advanced topics. Delve into dynamic programming, a powerful technique for optimizing recursive problems, and explore graph algorithms for network analysis. Understand various algorithm design paradigms, including greedy algorithms and divide and conquer. Remember, learning algorithms is an ongoing journey. Continuous practice and exploration are key to becoming proficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.